Welcome back, everybody. Here's how one dynamic mother-daughter duo have been spending their time during the pandemic.
Hi, my name is Stacy.
And I'm her daughter, Mickey.
And welcome to Kiddynomics! Together, we started Kiddynomics, a free weekly webinar series educating kids ages 8 to 13 years old about all aspects relating to financial literacy. We started Kiddynomics initially as a kids financial literacy YouTube channel in December of 2018. And we posted a couple of videos. However, when the pandemic hit us in 2020, we saw an opportunity to host a free weekly educational webinar series because kids were home and they were getting accustomed to learning online.
And we thought it would be a great way to give back to the community.
We are super excited to see how much our Kiddynomics community has grown. We now have over 540 kids registered, with kids that have joined us from all around the world.
With 40 guest experts teaching everything from stocks, budgeting, saving, taxes, real estate, entrepreneurship, marketing, even Bitcoins, to vision boarding and much, much more.
We have been able to create really special moments on Kiddynomics, such as celebrating Mickey's 10th birthday. We've celebrated Halloween, where I was Queen Save a Dollar.
And I was Princess Save a Coin.
We know that we are stronger together, and it has really helped reinforce to Mickey that she can do and accomplish anything that she sets her mind to.
One of my favorite memories was when I presented on assets and liabilities, and I had my nephew Peyton, who was 8 at the time, join in on that presentation. As I drove him back home, he noticed a sign in a strip plaza that said payday loans, and I saw the wheels turning, and he said to me, "Auntie, is that loan the same as the liabilities that we were just talking about?" And I was so proud of him in that moment. Many persons may think that children won't get it, but at 8 years old, he was able to take the lesson he just learned and apply it to a real life situation. I'd say that's a win. And I'm happy each and every time Kiddynomics asks me to present, because I think they're doing such a wonderful job and serving our community oh so well.
Kiddynomics has made learning financial literacy skills fun and interesting in kiddie bite-sized information.
And I learned a lot about it, like entrepreneurship and logos, and how people try and scam us, so we have to be smart about our money.
I especially love the fact that my daughter sits in with my son and they have in-depth discussions on how to manage their monies and what is currently happening in the financial world.
What we really love to hear is how much kids are now keeping parents accountable towards the family finances.
We say to everyone, dream ambitiously, because you never know what you can accomplish if you just take the first steps towards it, even during those challenging times.
Sometimes the best things can happen when we are challenged.
We sincerely thank all of our guest experts, past and future, including Marcy Ian, who is presenting on Kiddynomics in May of 2021, that have shared their knowledge with the Kiddynomics community.
And to all of the kids, thank you for being our young financial literacy ambassadors.
And to all the parents that have registered their kids on Kiddynomics, thank you for being champions of kids' financial literacy.
Thank you so much, Marilyn, for listening to our story.
Bye!
Well, I can't say goodbye because you're in the audience right now. There they are, Stacy and Mickey, part of our virtual audience today. Good to see you. Look at you two sharing.
Thank you.
Sharing.
Oh, yes. Yes. Thank you, Marilyn, for having us on and sharing our story.
Okay. Well, first of all, congratulations on your success. And I'm thinking about, okay, you've got people from all over the world. So how do you handle the time difference?
Well, you know what? The Kiddynomics community is so dedicated. Like Micah, who's from England, he joins Kiddynomics and it's like 10, 11 o'clock at night that he will join Kiddynomics. But we are such a great, fun community that for them, it doesn't matter the time as long as they get to come on Kiddynomics. So it's been awesome to see that.
Yeah. Well, for sure. And I'm thinking about all the things that you cover, which some adults pretend that they know,
Yes.
Bitcoin and they don't quite understand, you know,
But
like
you'd be
like the lady said, pay loans. Yeah, I mean, the information is amazing.
Yes, you would be surprised to know how much kids already know about Bitcoins, though, because they
Yeah,
live in a digital
yeah,
world because of Minecraft and Roblox. They understand
yes.
the digital world a lot more than adults.
Right, they do. They do. Well, if we want to do anything tech, we ask a 12-year-old because they know everything. So, Mickey, when you talk to people and you're part of this, who is the youngest person that you talk to, do you think?
I would say my sister.
We have she has a little sister that's 3, and then she wants to be on Kittynomics so bad. So Mickey will tell her what we did on Kittynomics that Friday, and then they'll have their little
Okay,
discussions.
right, because they're curious. So,
Yeah.
Stacy, how young do you suggest parents start teaching their kids about money? Because it's really a good idea. Mickey,
Yes.
I don't know if you remember your first lesson from mom, but let's talk to mom first. How do you suggest to parents to start teaching their kids about money?
Well, the thing is that kids learn through osmosis. They actually start learning a relationship towards money by watching their parent, and they see how their parents handle money. So, as young as 2 and 3, they've already started to develop a relationship with money because they see how their parents handle money. So, just having open
Hmm.
conversations when you go to the store and they say, "Oh, I can I get a can I get this?" and it's only $1. Start explaining budgeting and is this something that we really need? Um, but then I would also say on Kittynomics, we start at ages 8 to about 13 that we really cater to. But it's never too early to start teaching kids about financial literacy. I always say, start
Right.
today. There's no time like the present.
Well, thank you both so much for sharing your story today.
Thank you for having us on, Marilyn.
Thank you.
Our pleasure. Good luck with everything. Well, everybody, that's an inspirational story. That is our show for today. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe. Watch your money. See you next time.